Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technically Immortal. In today's video, we will discuss about the third law of thermodynamics and in which way it can be applied. So to understand the third law of thermodynamics, there are three concepts which are very important to understand. The first concept is the absolute zero. Absolute zero temperature. The second is entropy, and the third is perfect crystal. So first of all, what is absolute zero? So absolute zero is a temperature which is 0 degree Kelvin. So absolute zero is 0 kelvins, or we can also say it is minus 273 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, what happens is, at this temperature, the energy which is possessed by the molecule is negligible, or it has the least energy, is what we can assume. So the temperature at which the energy of the molecule is negligible or is zero is called as absolute temperature or absolute zero temperature. The second concept is entropy. So what is entropy? Entropy is molecular disorder. Entropy is a molecular disorder of any system. So let us understand this with an example. So we have a tank of water. This is our tank of water. I am supplying heat to it. So when I am supplying heat to it, slowly the water will start boiling, and after some temperature the water will get converted into vapors. So the molecular disorder or the disorder of the molecules at the temperature when the water is boiling or the water is in the liquid form is less, because the liquid has less place to roam anywhere into the container, whereas when we talk about the vapor, it has more disorder, as the vapor can occupy the space in container and it can roam wherever it want. So this was entropy. So molecular disorder of a system is known as entropy. And the third concept is perfect crystal. So what is perfect crystal is, the perfect crystal is a crystal in which all the molecules are of same shape and they are arranged in a specific pattern or in a well-defined pattern. Such type of crystal is called as a perfect crystal. So what does a third law of thermodynamics says that? So the third law of thermodynamics states that at absolute zero temperature, the molecules of a perfect crystal possess zero entropy. So that at absolute zero temperature, the molecules of a perfect crystal possess zero entropy. So what this law means that at absolute zero temperature, that is at 0 degree Kelvins or at minus 273 degrees Celsius, the temperature of a perfect crystal in which the molecules are arranged in a specific manner and the molecules are of same size, have zero molecular disorder. But however, for all practical purposes, it is impossible to have a absolute zero temperature. When we talk about the least temperature that we can achieve, the least temperature, for example, if we talk about the planet Neptune, which is the farthest planet from the earth, so the heat which is transmitted or which is radiated at that planet is the least, so the temperature there can be the least that we can talk about is minus 78 degrees Celsius. So you can imagine where is minus 78 degrees Celsius and where is minus 273 degrees Celsius. So for all practical purposes, absolute zero temperature cannot be achievable. So that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please drop a like. If you like the video, please drop a like. Comment down if you need video on any other topic. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.